Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video I want to teach you how to make deposits on the ICC bid robot mining system. Yes, it's just newly launched. So once you get registered, like I prepared a video on how to get registered. If you don't follow that video, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. Don't assume that you know it. Just look at our previous video. You're going to get it. So you want it, I'm going to drop it. Now once you register, the next thing is to make deposit, because if you don't make deposits, you will not be able to start choosing your own miner and start mining. Now how do you make deposit? You click this. Is very important I show you this. If you look at down here, you see 5 buttons: home, chart, this button, AI trade, and profile. Click on profile. Then you're going to find yourself here. So having find yourself here, you'll see deposit, transfer, withdraw. Let's click on deposit right now. And now having clicked on deposit, enter amount to add. Before you do this, make sure you check the packages. Now let me go a little bit back and show you packages that we have in this system. Let me show you packages. Sorry, it's very important, because that is what will guide you. Now click on AI robots. I went to home page. Now look at the packages. The first one is 5,000. Second one is, that's robot 2, is 8,000, 16,500, 30,000, 55,000, 87,000, 150,000, 253,000. So these are the packages for the robot mining. Now, having known this, you need to know that's what will now inform your decision on how much you want to deposit. So I want to start with this robot 2, which is 8K. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I click on that deposit and type 8K. You understand? Now select deposit method. Select deposit method. Okay, once you type in this, now you click here. Once you click here, that is selecting deposit method. You're going to see this. So you go down here to click on next step. Next step. Are you seeing it? Please follow the instructions. Now, this next step, you're going to see the account details to pay in this money. Please, very important. Now, this is an OPay system. You are paying into OPay. Then the account name is Bless Monica O. Then this is the account number. Copy all of this. Once you are done copying them, go make your payments. After making payments, come here and write the sender's name. Remember, because the system is going to check and it's going to match. Sender's name here means, for instance, you that is paying, you don't even have an app to make payments. You don't have a way to transfer, but you use your friend's mobile phone or whatever, or even friend's account to pay this, or use ATM POS to pay this. Once you do that, that sender's name is not your name. It's the name of that particular sender. That could be that your friend or that POS. Please, that's what we're going to put here. And once you are done doing that, the next thing you're going to do is what? Click on Pay Now. You click on Pay Now. So, this one cannot go without you having put this. You now click on Pay Now. You have deposit whatever have been taken. Remember, you see that deposit has shown that it has gone, but no record is here. Why? Because the system is going to verify. So you don't do any fake thing. If you just fake it, the system will discover nothing was done. So there's no faking here. So the system is still going to verify. And once it verifies, it's going to drop my money here. And I'm going to show you. Once it's done, it happens. I will now show you the next video on how to invest and start mining. That is this for now, the deposit guide. I'm going to stop. If you are not just following us, please join this program today. You can see the link. I'm going to show you the referral link. And not only the referral link, what is most important is the invitation code. Because when you register the right way, if you follow our guide on how to register, the system will require for that code, referral code. Just it's a 5-digit number type it. Please make sure you do that. So be part of this and start. You can start with the cheapest one. That's the one of 500 naira, 5,000 naira. And the thing is easy. You can even withdraw when you have up to 400 naira. So you can make withdrawals so easily. That's how fantastic this is. So I'm going to stop at this point. If you are new to the channel, don't hesitate to be part of what we're doing here by subscribing to this channel. Very important. And not only that, if this video makes sense to you, please give it a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.